So the next topic is irrational numbers. So what are irrational numbers? Numbers which cannot be written in the form of this p upon q, means rational, and where q is not equal to 0. So these are irrational numbers. Some examples are square root 2, square root 3, square root 5. So these cannot be written in this form. Square root 2 is equal to unlimited, means 0.41 and unlimited. So these are irrational numbers. The group of irrational numbers are known as real numbers. Next topic is representation of irrational numbers on a number line. So let's represent square root 2 on a number line. So I have taken equal units. This is 5 centimeters and this is also 5 centimeters. So this is 0, this is 1. So how to make square root 2? So we'll also make 5 centimeters above it but at 90 degrees perpendicular to it. So let's make it, it's 5. Now we have to make a straight line from here to this O point. Okay, now with the compass we have to measure this point O with this point, and we have to make a line like this. So this is square root 2. Understood? We've made square root 2 on a number line. Now what is the justification for this? So let's see. This is a right angle triangle. You can see it as it is built on 90 degrees and it has 3 sides and all are acute angles. So the Pythagoras theorem, which states for all right angle triangles, states that the length of the base and the perpendicular square should be equal to the hypotenuse square length, right? So we've taken here 5 centimeters and this is also 5 centimeters. So 5 square plus 5 square is equal to, no, sorry, we'll take this as 1 unit. So we'll take this as 1 unit. So 1 unit square plus 1 unit square is equal to c square, right? So what is the value of c square? Let's check. So 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 under root, right? So the justification for this is square root 3. So square root 3 square plus, this is 1 unit, plus 1 square is equal to this OC square, right? So this square root 3 square means square root 3 multiplied by square root 3 is equal to 3. So 3 plus 1 is equal to OC square. So 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. So OC square is equal to 4. So OC is equal to square root 4 or 2. We have to draw square root 4. So what will we do? We'll follow the same steps as this. Like this, 1 unit, this is 5 centimeters, this is 5 centimeters. You can take any length, but it should be of equal length. Then we have to make another perpendicular line to this line over here, and we have to draw a perpendicular line here, and we have to make this a triangle. Now this is square root 3 if we measure this compass and then make it here. Then we have to make another perpendicular line from this line, and we have to make a perpendicular line and make this a triangle, right angled. And from C we have to measure the compass and we have to just make an arc like this. It's very simple. So we have to construct a square root spiral. So first let's draw a 5 centimeters line. Then we'll make a perpendicular line to this of also 5 centimeters. So let's make it. So we have made the 5 centimeters. We have to make a triangle now. Then perpendicular to this we have to make another 5 centimeters line. So 5 centimeters, and this is the triangle, and we have to make another 5 centimeters right over here, and we have to make another triangle right over here. Then we have to make another perpendicular line. So this is 5 centimeters, another, and so on. We have to continue to make such lines until it's a circle. So this is how we construct a square root spiral. This is square root 2, we measure from this. This is square root 3, this is square root 4, this is square root 5, and so on. So let's make square root 5 with an alternative method. So first we will make 2 units, means 10 centimeters. 10 centimeters. So this is 10 centimeters. Now perpendicular to this we will make a 1 unit line, 5 centimeters, and we'll make here a triangle. Now we'll just extend this line a little. Now let's take this point, measure it with this, and draw an arc. This is square root 5. This was the 0 and this is 2, means this is also square root 4, and this is square root 5 by an alternative method. The justification for this is this is 2 units, this is 1 units, means 2 square plus 1 square is equal to 4 plus 1 is equal to square root 5, because here it's OC square. So OC is equal to 5 square root. Square root 3.2 on a number line. First we will make a 3.2 centimeters line, right? So let's make a 3.2 centimeters line here, 3.2, and let's extend it more 1 centimeters. So this is 4.2. So here it was 3.2 and here it is 4.2. So let's make points A, B, and C. Now let's make a perpendicular line of AC. So from C, more than its half, we'll draw a line, means an arc, and here also. Okay, so this is the perpendicular bisector of it, and we'll just draw a straight line. Now with center O, this is the center O. So with this center we have to measure OA or OC, So let's measure away, and we'll just make a full arc in the semicircle. Alright, now we have to make a perpendicular line to this. So let's make any perpendicular line from B. Right, so this is the point. So now this is 3.2 square root. So let's just measure it, and we'll just draw an arc, and we have drawn 3.2 square root on our number line. So I'm just showing you the exercise 1b. I'm not going to do it as it's the same questions. What are irrational numbers? Give examples. Are fifth roots of all positive integers irrational? If not, give an example of the fifth root of a number that is irrational. I'm just going to do this question. So let's start. Question 2, exercise 1b is, are fifth roots of all positive integers irrational? So it's saying that our fifth root means this is irrational, means it should be x multiplied by x multiplied by x multiplied by x 5 times to be rational, right? So I'll give you let's try some digits. So 16, 5, we can divide it into, let's do the prime factorization of it. So 2, 8, 2, 4, 2, 2, 2, 1. It's only 2 square 4. So it cannot be. Now let's try 32. 32. So let's try it. So 32, let's do the LCM of it, means prime factorization. So 2, 16, 2, 8, 2, 4, 2, 2, 2, 1 is equal to 2 square 5, 2 raised to the power of 5, and here it's fifth root. So the 5 and 5 will get cut, and it will be 2. So the example is this 32 to the fifth root.